In this video, I will make a pinhole camera, so come on! What is a pinhole camera? A pinhole camera is the simplest kind of a camera. It does not have a lens. It's just a use of a tiny opening, a pinhole-sized opening, to focus all the light rays within the smallest possible area to obtain an image as clearly as possible. The simple image form using a pinhole camera is always inverted. How does a pinhole camera works? A pinhole camera works on a simple principle. A pinhole camera consists of a box or a tube with a translucent screen at one end and a tiny pinhole made in the other end. Light enters the box through the pinhole and is focused by the pinhole onto the translucent screen. The image is upside down and smaller than the object. For you to enable or to illustrate how does a pinhole camera works, so watch the next slide. As you can see, light enters the box through the pinhole and is focused by the pinhole onto the translucent screen. The image is upside down and smaller than the object.